Good morning. This is Rajkumar Shivari, PGT Mathematics at Mount Ratrazi School, Jhansi. Today I am going to teach you lesson 2 and topic is function. So, dear student, first we should know what is a function. So, here is the definition of function. Function f is a rule by which elements of one set are uniquely related to the elements of other set. Function is denoted by a small letter f. So we can write in this way: f such that a maps b. How can you read this? So read this like function f such that a mapping b. And here is the diagram. This is set A and this is set B. So the image of 1 is A and the image of 2 is B and the image of 3 is C. So we can write in this way: f1 equals to A, f2 equals to B, f3 equal to C. Now some more topics. What is image? Elements of set B are f images of set A. They are called image. These are the images. These are the images. A, B, C are the f images of 1, 2, 3. So elements of, using this diagram, elements of set B are the f images. Now range. What is range? So the f images of element of set A are called range. f images of set A are called range. जैसे एलिमेंट 1 की रेंज A है, 2 की रेंज B है और 3 की रेंज C है. Pre image. What is pre image? So the pre image of A is 1, the pre image of B is 2 and the pre image of C is 3. So we can say that elements of set A which are related to set B are called pre-images. Elements of set A which are related to set B are called pre-images. Next, domain. What is domain? So elements of set A which having their image in B are called domain. Elements of set A which are related to B are called domain. आगे हम डोमेन की एक और डेफिनेशन पढ़ेंगे. डोमेन आर द सेट ऑफ रियल वैल्यूज फॉर विच अ फंक्शन इज डिफाइंड. वो डोमेन क्या होता है? रियल वैल्यूज का सेट होता है जिस पर फंक्शन डिफाइन होता है. हम आगे जब डोमेन और रेंज ब्रीफली पढ़ेंगे तब इसके बारे में समझेंगे. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. What is codomain? Elements of set B are called codomain. This is set B. This is the element of this set is called codomain. Now types of function. So in 11th class we have two types of function. First of all, one function. When one element of set A is related to one element of set B, then it is called one function. 1 की image A है, 2 की image B and 3 की image C. Each element having only single image. So this is called one function. And many one function. When so many elements of set A having same images, a single image in B, this is called many one function. Many elements are related to one element, so this is called many one function. Okay, so with the help of this video you can do the exercise of topic function very easily. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.